All right, let's go to my YouTube channel and we're gonna go to playlist and we're gonna find the U-Haul project. The U-Haul project now has 33 videos in the series. Whee! 33 videos over a year in the making. So welcome to video 34. I'm gonna call this video Getting Ready. Let's call this video Getting Ready to Go. You know, last week I said that I'm preparing this for the electrician so he can bring over my 110 power. I have reached out, I have not heard from him. I say he's very busy. Yeah, so these are all installed, right? The lead wire is ready to go. The 110 is here. The breaker distribution box over to here, a standalone outlet here. I believe that if I can get him here to work, it's a quick job. What's that mean? I have always said when that cooktop comes on, I am grabbing Meatball and we're taking off. I'm gonna act as if it's happening, and that's why the name of this video is Getting Ready to Go. Yeah, getting ready to go to the mental asylum, getting ready to go to the bankruptcy attorney. So if I'm getting ready to go, I need to stock the cabinets for what will be 2 or 3 days on the road. So the idea that this U-Haul project has progressed to cookware and serveware, that tells me that the finish line is near. I bought all of this cedar. I'm gonna build some I'm gonna do a built-in shelving system that will hold plates, utensils, and whatnot, even though you're going over railroad tracks. You know, I built these cabinets in a way that, you know how the back of the cabinets usually has like almost like a cardboard backing? Well, because I wanted to bolt into the backing, I made solid wood backs, and the solid wood had a little jacked up transition line. So I've cut panels so it'll look a little more inlaid and intentional. Come on, look at that, nice. So I stained it the same as this. Now I'm gonna do some built-in intentionals. This is food, cookware, oh yeah, and serveware. Oh, how cute, right? Okay, so let's make something. While I'm gazing through my window tonight, I'm remembering the things I have done in my life. Oh, making 1 or 2 turns that weren't really worth it. Sometimes the choices I made have been hard to understand. Better get ready, I'm ready. Better get ready to do all that I gotta do today. So I look at my reflection instead. Alright, so this is food, and I just want shelves. You know, not all food's created equal. All food's created different sizes. This is something that I've done for a couple of vlogs and I never made it in. I reached into the refrigerator that's powered by solar and I grabbed ice cold water. Better get ready, I'm ready. Better get ready. It's crazy. Because I was in here last summer and it was 145 degrees. The idea that it's delightful now, same time as last year, it's delightful and I have cold water. Let's cheat. Let's just keep going to the electrician calls. But when he does, I'm gonna be ready. This still needs, I might do a wire fence, maybe. So yeah, maybe like a wire fence, because I'm thinking the top will be smaller things like spices or whatever. We'll see. We'll see. There's also tons of room under there if need be. I would like to make a proclamation, and that is professional isn't just a job description, it's a behavior. And man, in the world of home repair, as I know when I remodeled my house, disappointment and delay is built in, but also just people not calling you back. So this is 6 days ago, me contacting the electrician last Monday, and it ended with, let me get to the office and I'll tell you what time works for me. So then I left my times, and 6 days later, I've been ghosted. In fact, if this text were a boat, it'd tip over because it's more me talking than him. If this was a dating app, I would tell you he's not into you. 6 days. I cannot take that trip with Mr. Meatball until that's hooked up. So today, somebody gave me a new number. And Wednesday afternoon, I'm available. Okay, so remember what I said the title of this video was? It was getting ready to go nowhere. So let's take off to go, and let's just say getting ready for the electrician. And let me tell you, while sitting here waiting, I have decided that, I've decided that I'm gonna switch out the countertop. I know. Look how nice. Yeah, it's more than good. It's great. Yeah, it's great. Electrician comes, I'm telling you, when that electrician comes, my God, I'm gonna be ready. You know, I'm gonna test drive one more thing before this video ends. Mr. Meatball is required for this test run.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Are you ready? Okay, come on, get up here. Oh boy, let me see you. Oh, Meatball, what is happening? Oh, hello. Oh, what do you think about this? Let me show you something. When the electrician comes, you and I are gonna take a trip. Let me tell you, when the cooktop comes on, you and we are taking off. I know. I called the electrician. I know. Hey, I know. But the first electrician didn't call me back. I know. Hey, I got a new one. He's coming Wednesday. And when he does,